Hey everybody, my name is Chris Bystead. I'm out here at Guarantee RV, standing in the rain, looking at this beautiful Salem trailer. This could be yours. I want to take you in and give you a tour of it. I think you're really going to like it. It is a used model. It's a 2015 Forest River Salem 26-foot GBD. Let's take a look on the inside. So this is a really great trailer for your family. I really like the fact that they have the sink right here. It's got a little extra counter space for you to work on. Of course, you've got extended counter space with these sink covers, and it's a twin sink. Nice faucets and sprayer. Even has a little deal here for your Dawn dishwashing soap. Nice little microwave. Got a 3-burner cook stove, and you have your oven. It also, in the same, they have this stainless steel look. The fridge also matches that, and you've got a nice refrigerator freezer. Right here, so you got plenty of room for all of the food. One of the things that is really great is they have a little ladder for this bunkhouse area. So you got a place here, 2 twin beds, so they're a nice big size, and you can fit a couple people here and sleep them there. You can also sleep somebody in the dinette, and you can also sleep somebody in this sofa over here. So you've got plenty of seating, plenty of sleeping, and a rear bath back here. It's got a tub, and it's got a door that can be pulled shut, so it doesn't have a curtain, so to speak. Nice bathroom. Right over here is your entertainment system, and it pivots and swivels so you can see the TV in the coach, or you can see it in the master bedroom, which we're going to show you right now. Big residential king bed. This is really nice mattress in here. And we'll shut these doors and show you what it looks like there. So that's what pivots there for your TV pleasure. Look how big these wardrobes are. Very nice size, really nice lighting, and a nice big shelf on top. Of course, your air conditioning is ducted throughout the coach. So we'll start right here with the nice pass-through. Isn't that clever? You just don't see that every day. I like that a lot. Big power awning. And if you have little kids, you might want to keep this locked, but if not, the kids might really like this, that there is instant access right into their bed, and all this storage underneath. So it's kind of a neat feature. You've got an outside utility shower, so you can hose the sand off the kids' feet or wash the dog or whatever you would need to do. You can also extend and retract the slide from the outside. They've got another button for the extend and the retract as well. And then you've got some extra storage right inside here as well. All of this, and we'll give you 2 brand new interstate batteries, fill both these big propane tanks up for you. We'll give you a $50 starter kit to get you going. We'll detail the whole thing out inside and out, make sure everything works perfect, and then we'll walk you around it and show you how to use every little thing on here so you can go camping this next weekend with confidence. One thing also I wanted to share with you is that it's got a power tongue jack. That's a real nice feature as well. Really neat used Salem here. I would love to show this to you or any of the RVs that we have out here at Guarantee. My name is Chris Bystead. My phone number is 541-636-7878. I look forward to hearing from you.